Hi, I received a question from William regarding the Amtech block plane, which is stock code C3000. William's question was he's been unable to adjust it. So this video is just to show the very easy steps required to make the plane work as it should. William, the plane has one adjusting screw here, this blue one. If you turn it anti-clockwise, quite a few turns, you can remove this part's called the cap iron. Okay, now the blade can come out. So assuming that you've sharpened the iron, and you can see here there's the cutting angle on the edge, and here is the back angle, which is left how it leaves the factory. So you need to make sure you've sharpened it properly. Okay, so holding the body of the iron, slide the cutting blade underneath this bar, and so it's just protruding through here, and we'll deal with that in a bit more detail when we've assembled it. Take the cap iron and insert it through. You may have to adjust it a bit more so it slides under and secures the blade. So get it aligned like this. Now turn this blue knob clockwise till it starts gripping the blade. Don't over tighten it though at this stage. What you need to do is make sure the blade is sticking through the mouth, which is this piece here in the sole, in the body, the sole of the plane. And what you need to do is check, if I turn it around this way, you need the blade to be parallel in the slot. So not over at an angle either way, not like that, not like that. And so you need to get it so it's just sticking through about probably just under 1 millimeter. So you can just gently adjust by moving this part of the iron either way until it's most important thing is that it's parallel, and you only want a small amount of blade sticking out. So once you're like that, tighten the blue knob, not too tight because it's just clamping down on the blade against the steel part here. You've now got the plane ready to use. If you want to take off a bit more of a shaving of wood, you can slacken it and tap it through. You can actually either tap it with your hand or the end of a small hammer, but always make sure that it's parallel and sticking through like that. As I say, this is only a small plane, so if you set it to cut too deep, it's going to probably stall on you. So if you were doing the edge of a piece of pine or a piece of laminate, keep it fairly fine on the adjustment. So I hope that helps. For any other guidance on tools for the home garage and garden, please go to amtechdiy.com.